don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. My first memory of Gina was actually when she won her Golden Globe for Jane the Virgin. Seeing someone that looked like me up on the stage was so empowering. I was so motivated after I saw her. Not only is Gina an amazing actress, but she is wonderful behind the camera too. She's producing her own content, starring in it, directing it. She's just a badass woman, can do everything. All right, let's get started. This first look is when Gina attended a Latino film festival for her movie Philly Brown. Philly Brown was kind of her first big breakout role. She has loosely curled hair. The look is very simple, dewy, and glowy. Her eye here is silver and gray, smoky, but simple. With the nude lip, very natural. Oh yes! This is great, oh my gosh. I feel like Gina. I'm really excited about the shaved head look because I've had the same hair length cut since probably 7th grade. And I'm excited to do something different and kind of break the rules a little bit. I remember when Gina Rodriguez shaved half of her head, and I thought it was so cool. I wanted to do that myself, but I didn't have the courage. Overall, Gina Rodriguez tends to keep her makeup look pretty simple. For this look, she goes for a kind of beautiful bronzy eye and a peachy lip, and she looks fabulous. This is great, oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, it's fierce. I feel really strong and empowered and like a badass. Now maybe I might shave my head. Like, this is actually a cool look. This look is from the 2018 Screen Actors Guild Awards. Gina looks lovely in this look. Gina keeps her makeup look simple but elegant. She has a strong burgundy lip and a soft gray smoky eye. Gina's hair here is a simple, loose, tuck bun, effortless but elegant. And it's also important to note that she's wearing her Time's Up pin, which is another reason why I love Gina, because she supports the issues that matter and is not afraid to speak up. Wow, this is awesome. I look red carpet ready. This last look was my favorite look. It just made me feel so elegant and feminine, and I just feel so comfortable in it. To do these looks today just felt really empowering. It made me see that I could be a lot of different things all at the same time, and it made me feel like I could be anyone. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.